Welcome to this week's Performance TV. Always something exciting when we have the folks in here playing around, having fun, being creative with AP Lazer. And Brad, what in the world have we done with this modified?
So we have brought you not just something special, but something groundbreaking, because we have done the first laser etching that we've heard of on a pro modified car. Pair that with the new Ceramark Ultra that'll be hitting the market later this year, probably about second quarter, and with vinyl. So you can see just how great of a mark you can get on bare metals with the AP Lazer and Ceramark.
So you're telling me this was all AP Lazer all the way down, and that's vinyl?
Yes. So this is matte black vinyl, and that is black marking compound.
Wow.
Done with the AP Lazer.
Okay, so why would you have done something like this on a car?
Because sometimes you'll see cars that get in accidents and the vinyl's ruined with it. And that's not really what you want going forward. Your marking compounds are more durable than just regular old vinyl. And whenever you get into a crash, that is going to stand a little bit tighter than this.
Okay, so a marking compound, explain that.
So basically what we do with the bare metal is we coat it with a Ceramark compound. This is the Ultra, so it's one for everything, from aluminum all the way to stainless. And we take the AP Lazer, we laser etch, and it bonds to that metal. That's the reason it'll stay to that metal. That metal has to basically come out for that compound to come out.
Wow. That feels pretty cool too, and you didn't have to go very deep on that either.
No, and the beauty of it is we can take a Brillo pad, we can take a pressure washer, we can take a stainless steel brush, and until we're actually removing the aluminum, we're not removing that mark.
And this is a big piece.
Yes, so with the open architecture of AP Lazer, you can actually stick whatever size piece you have underneath it just so you can get what you need done.
That's not the only place we see a lot of cool stuff that you can do on this car.
Yes, so let's say we wanted to take part of the deck, the back decking, or even this front decking off. We can etch that paint off and basically show the bare aluminum for a different effect.
Well, it's not just aluminum that we can do with the AP Lazer. There is a whole lot more. So the AP Lazer's been over here pretty busy. What do you have in here?
So we actually have a sign that is to be installed tomorrow for Family Physicians of Marion.
Wow, and that's a pretty big piece.
Yes, this is actually a 24 by 49 piece. So that's 2 foot by 4 foot, and this is a layered substrate. So we've got a graphite top with a silver bottom, so we're etching off the graphite to reveal the silver. It's a little dusty right now, so we'll clean that up and you can see it. But taking it from that, you can actually double up on things that you do for your real sign companies, your big deals, and that is taking an authentic bourbon barrel head. So this is the head off of a bourbon barrel that we've cut 1/2 inch thick acrylic and layered that over top to create just something one of a kind and special.
Yeah, we've got 2 different materials that you've used here with completely different ideas, where one is into it, one's cutting pieces out, and all done with the AP Lazer.
Yeah, so let's close that up right fast and show you another piece. So this is acrylic, but it's etched and it's cut. But what's special about it is it's 1 inch thick and it has smooth edges as soon as it comes out of the laser.
Yeah,
so with other materials, you might have some jaggedness, but not with the AP Lazer.
Yeah, because this wasn't the piece that you put into the AP Lazer. You put a bigger piece in and then cut everything out. So we went something that's very shallow to make this part, but yet you could cut that thick.
Yes, you can cut 1 inch thick acrylic with the AP Lazer, and that's what it's all about, from the technical support to the before you buy Facebook group, and then moving into the user group. And let's say, hey, it's 3 a.m., you're having issues, you can always call the 24/7 tech support. And that's the reason why your quality is there with the AP Lazer.
Okay, so what we've seen, though, still only just scratches the surface.
Oh, yes.
Etches the surface, so to speak, with what the AP Lazer can do with all of the different depths, actually cutting pieces, etching into them from the different types of materials. And this isn't the only AP Lazer machine.
No, they have multiple sizes, and at 1245 Graphix we have the 4836, which is one of their largest machines, because 1245 Graphix does a lot. We're screen printing, embroidery, signs, wraps, the whole kit and caboodle. And whenever you pair your business with AP Lazer, you open up into a new market of things, from trophies, signs, plaques, granite, bourbon barrel clocks, the list goes on and on because
Right.
you're really limitless with the quality you're getting with AP Lazer.
Right, so whether you are looking to add on to your business, maybe start into a new business, there's so many different options that you have with the AP Lazer. You can find out more by going to their website at aplazer.com/TV, and we'll have more of Performance TV coming up right after this.